Assalamu alaikum. You are watching ELTStreaming. This is Fazia Said. Today we will discuss about the effective teaching and how you become an effective teacher. तो तमाम वो लोग जो टीचिंग करना चाहते हैं या टीचर्स हैं या ट्रेनिंग में हैं उन सब के लिए ये वीडियो बहुत फ्रूटफुल है. So keep watching ELTStreaming. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Share my videos as well. Effective teaching utilizes instructional strategies that are most appropriate for the content and the students for meaningful learning outcomes. When teachers possess a wide range of qualities and skills that enable them to create a positive and productive learning environment for their learners, they are termed as effective teachers. So we will discuss the characteristics or the qualities of an effective teacher in this video, and you can also become an effective teacher by modifying your teaching philosophy and teaching strategies. The first quality is enjoy teaching, and teaching is meant to be a very enjoyable and rewarding career. Teaching is nothing to do when you adopted it just for making money. So let your passion for teaching shine through each and every day and enjoy every teaching moment to the fullest if you want to become an effective teacher. Number 2, makes a difference. It is said with great power comes great responsibility. As a teacher, you need to be aware and remember the great responsibility that comes with your profession. So make a difference in your students' life by feeling them special, safe and secure when you are teaching in your classroom. Third is effective communication skills. The teachers who are skilled communicators can explain complex concepts in a simple and understandable manner. They also actively listen to their students and encourage open communication. Create positive environment. Bring positive energy into the classroom every single day. You have a beautiful smile, so don't forget to flash it as much as possible throughout the day. Your students deserve more than for you to take your frustration out on them. No matter how are you feeling, how much sleep you have gotten, or how frustrated you are, never let that show in your classroom. An effective teacher is always organized and disciplined. Being organized helps teachers plan lessons, manage time effectively, and stay on top of grading and administrative tasks. They have clear expectations and consistent rules to maintain order and discipline, which allows for a conducive learning environment. Effective teachers have empathy. They understand and empathize with their students' challenges and struggles. This helps in building a stronger student-teacher relationship and providing appropriate support when needed. Teachers need to be patient with their students as learning can be a gradual process and different students learn at different paces. Patience helps in building a supportive and non-judgmental learning environment. So, effective teacher is always patient with his students. Whether you are delivering a lesson, writing report cards, or offering support to a colleague, give 100%. Do your job for the love of teaching and not because you feel obligated to do it. Do it for your self-growth. Give 100% for yourself, students, parents, school, and everyone who believes in you. Teachers are formally or informally observed and are constantly being evaluated and criticized by your coordinator, your colleague teachers, parents, and even children. Instead of feeling bitter when somebody has something to say about your teaching, be open-minded when receiving constructive criticism and form a plan of action. Be flexible and go with the flow when change occurs. An effective teacher does not complain about changes when a new principal arrives. They don't feel the need to mention how good they had it at their last school or with their last group of students compared to their current circumstances. Instead of stressing about change, embrace it with both hands and show that you are capable of hitting every curve ball that comes your way. Motivate yourself and your students as well. Motivate them and help them set and achieve goals and instilling a love of learning that goes beyond the classroom. Emotional intelligence is the key to effective teaching. Understanding and managing your own emotions and recognizing the emotions of your students is a quality in creating a positive and emotionally supportive classroom environment. टीचर्स को इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस का पता होना चाहिए और उस पर काम करना चाहिए. An effective teacher is always creative, but that doesn't mean that you have to create everything from scratch. Find inspirations from as many sources as you can, whether it come from books, education, Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, blogs, or any good source. If you want to be an effective teacher, you have to reflect on your teaching to evolve as a teacher. Think about what went well and what you would do differently next time. There is always more to learn and know about in order to strengthen your teaching skills. Keep reflecting on your work and improve your weaknesses every single moment. Teachers should realize that lifelong learning is a necessity. By learning to keep up with changes through personal and professional development, learning technology and emotional intelligence is the key to effective teaching. These qualities collectively contribute to the effectiveness of a teacher in facilitating learning and helping students reach their full potential. आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा. कीप वॉचिंग ELT स्ट्रीमिंग.